Pray for listing of a urgent petition, Lordship, immediately after the reopening, Lordship. Matter is urgent in the sense that in this case, Lordship, the petitioner, after his retirement, is yet to receive his pension, even after nearly 4 years of his retirement. Matter is pending. The pleadings have already been exchanged by the parties. May I mention this matter on
It's
the?
a motion matter.
No. For admission.
It's
it
a
has to
pending.
come. We have submitted.
So there's a registrar maintained by them. Get it written there.
We have already.
They'll look into it. Okay. Yes. Any other mention? Yes.
So we have filed a writ petition on 16/12 this month.
Hmm.
So I'm praying for listing of this matter on the reopening day on 5th.
Motion.
Motion.
All right.
Okay.
Please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention the item number 7 of the daily cause list.
Yes.
Lordship, kindly pass over the matter for the day. My senior, Mr. A.A.R. Karim, is having some personal difficulties today.
Okay. That's prayed for on behalf of the learned counsel for the petitioners. Matter stands passed over for the day.
Obliged, Lordship.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 3 of the daily list. Your
Yes.
Lordship may adjourn the matter for the day as Mr. Sikdar is out of station.
Okay. Similar order.
Daily list item 1 for motion.
You want, no? Oh,
May it please your lordship.
yes.
Lordship, due to some, although it is a contempt petition, lordship notice to go, but there has been a issue. Lordship, if your lordship just opens up the page number 26 of the impugned, non-compliant judgment. Para number 6. This is the finding that was given by the single judge.
Paragraph number.
16, page 26.
Yeah. Yes. So
16, 17. And thereupon lordship 19, if your lordship pleases. Paragraph 19, the next page. But lordship, due to some inadvertence, miscommunication by the my client concerned, after the filing of the contempt petition, I got to know that he has only served the order upon the respondent number 1. Lordship may find the array of respondents at page number 10. And the other 2, 3, 4, he has not served actually. I have perused the, I have just annexed the forwarding letter wherein he has submitted it to the commissioner respondent. So my humble prayer at this stage, lordship, if your lordship pleases to strike out the other names and only issue notice of motion on respondent number 1.
okay, we'll not strike out also. We'll just say notice only to 1. All right.
All right.
At Miss
Either.
Ida's learned counsel for the petitioner who submits that the direction passed by this court by order dated 28/7/2025 in WPC number 6667 of 2010 has not been complied with by the respondents. By the respondent number 1, despite a copy of the same having been served to him. Next para, issue notice to respondent number 1 only at this stage, returnable by 4 weeks. Steps within 3 working days. List again after 4 weeks. Liberty to the petitioner to serve copy of the judgment to the remaining respondents in the meantime.
Deeply obliged.
Item 2.
May I please your lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, petitioner filed his contempt petition for non-compliance of the order dated 10/8/2023.
Page
That's it.
number
Find it page 17 of this order.
17.
17.
Yes. What was the direction?
Point 4. As per the state level scrutiny committee is yet to take final decisions in the matter, this writ petition dispose of the remanding the matter to the state level scrutiny committee to take final decisions with regard to the provincializations of the picture of the said Baganpara ME Madrasa within a period 3 months from the date of receipt of the order. After that, your Lordship,
Why
the
did you-
petitioner filed representation on three date on 21/8/2023. Fine at page 18.
What is the date?
Uh,
The date on which you submitted the representation.
The first representation filed on 21/8/2023,
From where do you get that?
page 19. Vernacular is in page 20 and the translated type copy is in 18.
So date is given in the vernacular.
Yes, your lordship.
Where?
At the top, 21/8/2023.
Then why didn't you type it out? On the translated copy?
Lordship, kindly come to last representation filed by the petitioner.
No,
On-
no. Please answer me. Annexure sees the vernacular,
Yes,
page 920.
yes,
Annexure 18 is the translated copy.
yes, lordship.
Why didn't you put the date?
Sorry, my lordship.
You should be careful with all these things.
Sure. Lordship, petitioner filed second representation on
1/8/2023. Second representation on
file on 26 November 2024.
so where is the date?
On top, translated copy.
Now in the vernacular, the date is given,
Vernacular you can find on top, second line,
page
page 22.
22 is not vernacular. Okay, 22 is a vernacular. How many representation have you submitted?
Three, total three representation.
22,
Yes,
27, 11, 24.
yes.
We are concerned with the first one. Did
yes.
you enclose a copy of the court's order?
Yes, your lordship.
Now, you have come after 1 year. Your contempt petition is hit by delay in laches.
Lordship,
What do you say on that?
lordship, under constitution, it is permissible.
How? Tell me, give me a citation. How do you overcome this section? What is that section? Within 1 year.
Sir, 215, article 215. There are so many decisions on this point, your lordship.
Give me one decision. Because the order of the court is clear, isn't it?
Yes,
Court said that provincialization should be done within a period of 3 months from the date of receipt of this order. So you submitted a copy of the order on 21/8/2023. Was it received by them?
yes, lordship.
So if you count, when was it received?
On 21/8/2023.
How do you say that? Where's the acknowledgement? To say that they have received it.
Your lordship, petitioner personally served in the office.
Maybe, but somebody has to receive it. I've received copy. Have you made a statement like that? Personally, you have served. Please write down Hart. What is your name?
M. Roy.
Miss M. Roy, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that the order of this court dated 10/8/2023, passed in WPC number 2227 of 2020, has not been complied with by the respondents,
State level.
despite a copy of the order having been furnished to them. Next para, it is seen that the order dated 10/8/2023 of this court was said to have been furnished by the petitioner to the Director of Elementary Education on 21/8/2023. And as per the court's direction, order was to be complied within 3 months. Now, the contempt petition is now filed on 9/12/2025. And therefore, having regard to Section 20 of the Contempt of Courts Act 1971, the petitioner will have to satisfy this court as to whether the contempt petition will be maintainable or not. In view of above, and that place board, let's again, after reopening, give a date. 7/1.
God bless you.
Prepare and come back again, okay? We'll see.
In this matter, no clear instruction has come in yet, my lord. So sometime may be required, otherwise he is visually impaired, it is false, my lord, as per my instruction. So 0%, my lord, visual impairment, my lord, yeah, category 0.
Our case is not with regard to my visual impairment. Our case is with regard to my lord, the BEd certificate.
Regarding the certificate is
BEd certificate.
not. Report
Genuineness
is
of
not
the
coming,
BEd
my lord, here.
Why
From-
different subject? You said BEd certificate, you said visual impairment.
No, he applied for PWD category, my lord, in the court. So sometime may be granted, so that we can obtain the,
Opening,
yes, after reopening,
Mr. P. Sharma, U. Sharma, Learned Standing Counsel,
secondary.
Secondary
education.
Education, prays for some more time to receive instructions in terms of the last court's order. Yes. In view of above, list again on so and so. Any instructions from you? And for respondent three. And your good name?
On behalf of state teachers.
Your name?
A. Petrina.
A.
A. Petrina.
Petrina, for respondent number 5. Yes, next.
Lord, the matter may kindly pass over for time.
Time being.
Malab, his case,
Yes,
in this case, in
Hmm.
this matter, Malab, his case was placed before the SLC, Malab, and as per the SLC, his case not considered. Today, I have received only the parawise comments, but not the minutes of the SLC, Malab. So, Madam, maybe.
was not considered,
Not considered.
or was not considered, or considered but not recommended. Which one?
No, sorry, Madam, not recommended, madam.
Not recommended.
Yes.
Miss, your good name?
S.R. Majarvi.
N. Fukan, Learned Standing Counsel,
Elementary.
Elementary Education,
Yes.
submits that as per the instructions received by her, the petitioner's case was considered by the SLC but not recommended. She submits
They
that,
were not found eligible, madam, for the provincialization.
okay. What did I say?
What we do?
No, as per instructions received by her, comma, the rest you cut. The case of the petitioner was taken up by the state level scrutiny committee, but the petitioner was not found to be qualified. Full stop. She, however, submits that she has not received a copy of the minutes of the SLC and prays for some time to produce the same. List again. Give it, inside. You produce the SLC minutes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Lordship, password for timing.
You are there?
Lordship,
What is your case?
Lordship, compassionate appointment.
Huh?
Passover for timing, Lordship. My senior likes.
Item 8.
Lordship,
Item 8.
Lordship.
Who's your senior?
Borbuya. He likes in another court, Lordship.
All right, let him come.
Like that.
Ask over.
With the Lordship. My prayer for provisionalization of my service level. I have been working as political science teacher in the higher secondary school, namely ASAM Junior Girls College, madam. With effect from 5/8/2009, my lord. I've been working till date, my lord. But my service has not been provincialized.
You, Sharma,
Instruction is awaiting, my lord. Sometimes we granted.
please write, peruse the order dated 14/11/2025 of Mr. U. Sharma, Lanet Standing Council. Secondary education.
My lord,
Suppose that instructions are waiting.
earlier order, they have taken time for 4 weeks time for processing the appointment of the.
So we'll give them some more time.
Instruction is awaited.
Instructions are waited and therefore prays for some more time to receive the instructions. Considering the same, let the matter be listed again on so and so.
9.
The petitioners before Lordship, my lord, the non-teaching staff of my lord, various colleges, madam. But they are seeking, my lord, that scale, my lord.
Non-technical-
Lordship's order is at page 271, my lord.
Non-technical staff of,
My lord, non-teaching staff, my lord, of
non-teaching staff of
various colleges, my lord.
various colleges.
Colleges,
Okay.
My lord, the Lordship has passed a similar order, my lord, page 271, my lord. It starts at page 274. My lord, directing, my lord, then they file the respect representations, my lord.
Oh, it's that type of case.
Yeah, that they were, madam, similar, madam.
Can be disposed of.
Yes, madam.
Heard Mr. M. Datta, learned counsel for the petitioners, who also heard Mr. D. Upamanya, learned standing counsel, higher education department. Now, having regard to the nature of grievance projected by the petitioner, the read petition is taken up for disposal at the motion stage itself.
Lordship, I'm appearing for 1 and 3. Finance is appearing for 2. She is appearing for finance.
Okay. D. Upamanya for 1 and 3. RM Barwa for? Five.
Respondent number 2, finance.
Okay, RM Barwa, SC Finance for respond number 2. For money is for 1 and 3. Okay, please adjust. Next para, Mr. M. Datta, learned counsel, submits that the petitioners are non-teaching staffs. In different colleges, which includes senior assistant, junior assistant, library assistant / assistant librarian, and grateful. Stop. The petitioners were recommended for provincialization under the what is the full form of this 2011 Act?
My lord, Assam Venture Education Institution, Provincialization of Service Act 2011.
Where do I get the full form?
Lordship, page 266.
Okay. Yes. Petitioners were recommended for provincialization under the Assam Venture Educational Institutions, open bracket, Provincialization of Services, close bracket, Act, 2011. Open bracket, Act of 2011. And their services were provincialized in a phased manner. In respect of many of similar situated persons. So, in the meantime, before the services of the petitioners could be provincialized, the Act of 2011 was struck down. And the state government enacted the Assam Education, open bracket, Provincialization of Services of Teachers, and Reorganization of Education Institutions, close bracket, Act, 2017, bracket, Act of 2017. Which was thereafter amended in the year 2018 by the Assam Education, open bracket, Provincialization of Services of Non-Teaching Staff of Venture Educational Institutions, close bracket, Act, 2018. And accordingly, the services of the petitioners were regularized, were provincialized. But despite the same, the petitioners continue to enjoy fixed pay only, while similarly situated other persons are getting pay scale. A similarly situated placed similarly situated persons had approached this court
My lord's order at page 25, my lord, that will page 275, my lord, paragraph 3 onwards, my lord.
By filing WPC number 5695 of 2025. And the said writ petition was disposed of by order dated 24/9/2025. By relying upon the division bench judgment of this court in what Mohar Ali Sheikh and others versus State of Assam and others, reported in 2024, 5 GLT 689. Stop the learned counsel therefore submits that the present case is also squarely covered by the earlier decision of this court, including Mohar Ali Sheikh and others. Mr. D. Upamanya, learned planning counsel for the department, also submits that the case of the petitioners are similar to those which was disposed of earlier, and court may consider passing appropriate orders. Next para in view of above, the petition is disposed of by directing the petitioners to submit their respective individual representation before the director of secondary, is it?
Higher
Education. With a further direction that if the case of the petitioners are covered by the earlier judgments of this court, as referred to herein above, similar benefits should be extended to them. The petitioners shall file their representations as directed herein above within a period of 10 days from today. 10 days. And the Director of Higher Education, upon receipt of the same, shall do the needful. Any time frame?
Lordship, earlier there was no time frame, Lordship. So Lordship, let it remain, Lordship.
As expeditious as possible.
If they come within the preview, Lordship, that may be.
Most of if the petitioners come, if the petitioners are indeed covered by the earlier judgments of this court, the
Similar.
respondents shall extend similar benefits to the petitioners.
Well, there's one small mistake, Malad. This is not actually an amendment of the 2018 17 Act. It's a separate Act, Malad. 2018 Act, Malad, is not an amendment of 17 Act. It's a separate Act, Malad.
That's what I saw in your.
I mean, it was wrongly written, man. That's why that. Since Malad did this.
Can you go back to the 2018 amendment? I said, what did I say? Subsequently, or something like that. Which was not amended, which was followed by another enactment. That is so and so Act of 2018.
Right. Diploma, highly.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, kindly pass over for timing, lordship.
It passed over. Well.
Lordship, matter pertains to compassionate appointment, Lordship. In terms of this honorable court's order, SLC selected the petitioner, Lordship, for compassionate appointment as assistant teacher in UP, Lordship. BTC accordingly, BTC has submitted the vacancy position as well as the Lordship for a proposal for financial approval. Lordship, that has been Lordship submitted in the year 2024, Lordship August.
Where's
Now
the
the-
SLC?
Lordship,
SLC minutes.
SLC minus is Lordship's page 17. Page 17. Lordship relevant page is Lordship 18. Page 18, District Sirang, 3, Lordship.
What is the date of the SLC?
SLC date is Lordship 26/6/23. Page 17 in the
Where is
operative,
your recommendation?
operative portion is Lordship page 18. Column number 3, Sirang District.
Babulnath,
Babulnath, Lordship.
what does it say?
Babulnath, father of the candidate, late Fanindra Nath, died in harness on the 28/4/2002. Thereafter, Sri Babulnath applied for the application under compassionate ground within 1 year with all requisite documents, NOK, NOC, educational qualifications, etc. His candidature was found correct, and accordingly, the LC Sirang on 10/1/2014 recommended him for appointment of compassionate ground. After scrutiny of the Department of School Education found him to be eligible for appointment to the post of AT UP on compassionate ground. Therefore, Sri Babul Nath is selected for appointment on compassionate ground against single vacancy at AT UP post in Sirang district as per memorandum number dated 6/26/2017, Lordship. So
Then-
accordingly,
then-
Lordship,
Then,
page 23, Lordship, the vacancy position was submitted. Page 23, Lordship. By the Director of Education to the District Elementary Education Officer asking to submit vacancy, Lordship. And accordingly submitted regarding vacancy position. Next, Lordship, 26, page 26, Lordship. Page 26. Secretary BTC submitted a proposal for financial approval, Lordship, on 30 November. Again, Lordship, on the 29 August 2024, that is 31 page, Lordship.
yes,
Page 31, Lordship. Again, resubmitted for proposal for financial approval, Lordship. Page 31, Lordship. By the Director of Education BTC to Secretary to the Government of Assam, Department of School Education, Lordship.
anyone for BTC?
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, we have done our part, and now it's up on the finance department.
I have also submitted representation also, but yet
when is
not
the-
has been,
When was the matter taken to Finance Department?
We have submitted the.
When?
not yet not, I think, not submitted to Finance Department, but BTC has submitted to the Secretary to the Government of Assam Education Department on 29 August. But as to whether the Education Department has submitted the proposal for financial approval to the Finance Department.
from which
that
party?
is not.
BTC.
BTC. So this is what
So-
you have done, page 31. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Now, who will answer?
The finance department.
Kindly see page 35, madam. Representation is pending before the secretary.
Forget about the representation. What have you done? page 31. Uh, Your good name? Fukan.
Allah.
M. Fukan. You get instructions. M. Fukan, isn't it?
M.
N. Miss N. Fukan, Learned Standing Council,
Elementary.
Elementary Education, shall obtain instructions as to whether the Director of Education, no, whether the Secretary to the Government of Assam, Department of School Education, has sought for approval of the Finance Department to appoint the petitioner on compassionate basis in terms of the letter dated 29/8/2024, bracket annexure 4. Next para, this is the matter again on so and so. 19:1. Stop, the petitioner shall furnish an extra copy of the writ petition to Ms. N. Fukan to enable her opt-in instructions.
Your Lordship, kindly, the name of my senior AK Bhuya may be reflected. And on behalf of the-
STBTC be reflected in the cost list hereafter. Motion.
Mr. Pegu was supposed to bring instruction, Your Lordship, in this.
Yes, what instructions?
My lord, the petitioner, the suspension order with regard, in regard to the petitioner is revoked, my lord. In view of that, is
By which order?
in view of the existing rules. That is in.
Please write, on 18/12/2025, court passed the following order. Please abstract now. Next para. Today, Mr. G. Pegu, Learned Government Advocate, submits that he has received instructions which is to the effect that the order of suspension has been revoked by order dated 12/12/2025. Stop. In support of his submission, he has produced a copy of the said order, which shall be retained on record and marked as X for ratification. Next para, in view of above, the writ petition has become infructuous
Lordship.
and the same is disposed of.
Wait. Wait, please, sir. My lord, here, my lord, the petitioner is a, my lord, LP school teacher, my lord. Even in his, she joined, my lord, in 19/4/2005, my lord. Then during her service, my lord, tenure, my lord, she was transferred on several times, my lord. Now, my lord, there was an act, my lord. Assam government has brought an act, Assam Elementary and Secondary Teacher Regulation and Posting Act, base 43, my lord. May I bring up
No, what is your case? Tell me.
cases, my lord, that, my lord,
For regularization,
not regulation,
what? That
for review my transfer, my lord,
transfer?
on the hard sheet. That is,
Where is your transfer order?
transfer order, my lord. Your lordship will
Page?
find page 32. Serial number 5, my lord.
Serial number 5,
Yes,
Lily
Lily Lalami Nampui.
Lalo Moni. Okay.
Now what
You have
happened
been transferred from
from
Longma.
Longma to LP school under Jatinga, my lord, and to Pangmol LP school, Borail, which is from the present school is, my lord, Pangmol.
Okay,
It is about 42 to 50 kilometer from my residence.
okay, but this transfer order is November 2024.
Yes, I am coming to that, my lord. Now what happened, my lord? I have submitted after completion of 1 year, my lord. I
1
have
year?
submitted a representation on,
1 year where? In Borail.
yes,
1 year in Borail.
yes.
You've joined after 1 year representation.
Yes, why I have submitted, my lord, page 35. I have submitted, my lord, to the DPO
Hmm.
to review and reconsider my transfer from the executive school under so and so or to any other nearest LP school on completion of my 1 year of service with effect from 19/12/2021. Now, lordship will see there are certain valid grounds under the act, and mine is also under valid ground. Lordship, may I read that representation?
Just show me the grounds, that's all.
Yes, yes.
Where is that grounds?
Ground is your lordship will see, sub-para 2. And sub-para 3.
Sub-para 3, read that one, in this regard.
In this regard, I would like to inform your authority that I have a 4-year-old son living with me, and few months ago, due to marital discord, my husband has abandoned me and is living separately in the state of Mizoram, for which great insecurity and hardship is involved in taking care of my son and traveling a far distance of 40 to 50 kilometers from my residence to the school, that is Pangmol so-and-so. It is also my grievance that I have been transferred since the date of my joining on several times, but I never complained to that and obey the same. Now thing is different.
Okay, I got it now. Then
Now
after that,
genuine hardship, my lord.
after that, what happened?
After that, your lordship, now I have to travel with my 4-year child, my lord, since nobody is there, to the far area, my lord.
No, that is there, no doubt. What happened to your representation?
Representation is served to the DPO, and next page 36,
Circle,
circle also, my lord.
then
Concern, now it is pending, my lord. Decision is not taken till now, my
you
lord.
were submitting that there are certain reasons under which transfer can be
Yes, yes.
considered.
Lordship
What is that?
will- That is your lordship, you'll come to page number
Huh,
43.
43.
Yes. Assam Elementary and Secondary School Teachers Regulation of Posting and Transfer Act 2020. Now, under this act, my lord, your
Relevant
honor will
provision?
come to page 50.
This is applicable to whom?
Applicable to in the said district, my lord.
Elementary, secondary,
Elementary, my lord.
elementary and secondary school teachers.
Yes, yes, my lord.
Regulation of posting and transfer.
Yes.
Okay,
Page 50, ground number 10, my lord. Section 10, my lord. That is ground for seeking transfer.
read,
A teacher may seek transfer only on the following grounds. For change of residence due to marriage, for looking after elderly and ailing parents, for safety and security of female teachers. I am a female, my lord. For treatment of the teacher and their dependents. I have a 4-year-old son who is sick. I have annexed the medical document. For the reasons and mentioned in section 7 of this act, any other specific and justifiable ground.
so for D and F will be applicable to you.
Yes, my lord.
D and F.
D and F.
Hmm.
D and F, and coupled with the fact that my husband also has abandoned me.
Is that a ground here?
That is, my lord, one of the,
No, is there a ground here, A to F, that if husband abandons, you can be transferred?
any other specific ground.
That's why.
Yes.
So D and
And
F.
justifiable ground.
Now, who's appearing for the other side? And seals.
And for respondent number 1.
Yes, what to do? You dispose of this representation.
Yes.
There's no point keeping it pending like that. We'll give you enough time.
My lord,
Yes,
since the act, under the act is not they have not applied the act, my lord. My submission would be, my lord, for a time being in the interim, if your lordship direct them to dispose of my representation. Because hardship is continuing, my lord, every day. For a time being.
no, what are you saying? Act is not applicable.
Act is applicable,
Then,
but the council is not applying that act, my lord. Page 53.
council is not applying the act means what?
Lordship will kindly see page 53 of the earlier judgment.
You have come earlier also.
No, my lord. Similar case, my lord. When court has set aside the transfer order, page 52. Page 52, my lord.
Yes.
Here, relevant portion you will recite.
11 portion is not 52.
54, my lord. I'm
54.
sorry.
Read.
Yes.
one?
Subpara, my lord.
Read.
On a specific query being made by upon the learned counsel appearing on behalf of the respondent number 1, 2, and 3 as to whether the mandate of the said act of 2020 has been followed. The learned counsel, all the fairness submitted the same, however, has not been taken note of. In view of the fact that the regulation and posting of teachers are regulated by the Act of 2020, an act having not been followed in passing so and so, this court therefore set aside the impugn order so and so. This is also from the same district, my lord. That is also a similar assistant teacher, my lord. LP school.
But the cause of action is different.
That was.
That was different. It was
Different.
regarding there was no recommendation from the state level committee
Yes, yes.
before the transfer. In your case, you have no grievance. You were transferred, you went and joined. After 1 year, you're facing difficulty.
Yes.
So because of this difficulty, you're requesting them, please consider to transfer me somewhere else.
Yes, somewhere to the.
So we'll dispose of this writ petition
Yes, well,
by directing the respondent authority. Which authority?
two, respondent to my lord, DPO.
Two.
District Primary Education, I'm sorry, three, my lord. District Primary Education Officer.
He's competent to issue the transfer order.
He has issued that order, my lord.
Let us see, where is your transfer order?
Page 32, my lord.
District Primary Education Officer.
Yes. Otherwise, it has to be issued by my lord, district level committee. But issued by respondent number 3.
The respondent number 2 does not come in the picture.
Respondent number 2 is representing the council, my lord. Principal Secretary and
He doesn't have any role.
he has a
Trans-
role, but
Transfer and posting.
he has a role as a committee, district level committee. My lord.
Okay. But this transfer has been done at the level of respondent number 3.
Yes,
We'll dispose it of. Okay. Heard, Mr.
B. Borua, my lord.
B. Borua,
Yes,
learned counsel for the petitioner, and Miss
PCA for respondent number 1.
P.
CA. CA. SEYIECA.
CA for respondent number
1.
1. Only for 1.
Yes, only for 1.
Principal Secretary NC Hills, you're not there.
No, this principal secretary and seal is under primary education, which is
so under the autonomous council.
Stop having regard to the nature of grievance projected by the petitioner. The petition is taken up for disposal at this stage. It is the case of the petitioner that she is an LP school teacher. And she was working as such at Longma Roman 2 LP school. Get this in page 32, okay? 32. Under the Jatinga circle. Stop. White order dated 29/11/2024, annexure G bracket. The petitioner was transferred and posted to Pangbol LP school under the Borail circle by the respondent number 3. How far is this place?
My lord, from
From
Pangmol
Longma to Pangbol, how far?
no, from Pangmol to my resident 40 to 50 kilometers.
No, from Jatinga to Borail, will it how much?
That I have to obtain, my lord. It's a 2 different circle, my lord.
Okay,
Little
anyway,
far, little far.
anyway, then full stop. The petitioner accordingly joined the new place of posting. Stop after serving for about 1 year. to the place she was posted. The petitioner has encountered some difficulties on account of marital discord with her husband. Stop. She is now living with her 4-year-old son, whom she has to look after. Whereas the school is located at a distance of about 42 to 50 kilometers away from her residence. Stop. Faced with such a situation, the petitioner submitted her representation before the district primary education officer, NC Hills, Haflo, respondent number 3, and also to the circle inspector of schools. Boreal Circle. Respondent number 4. Seeking transfer and posting to a place near her residence in view of the difficulties faced by her. Stop. Despite the same, since the representation has not been considered, the petition is before this court. Next, para Mr. B. Barua, Learned Counsel, submits that as per the Assam Elementary and Secondary School Teachers, open bracket, Regulation of Posting and Transfer, close bracket, Act, 2020. And more particularly under Section 10. There are certain grounds provided for seeking transfer. You'll come under which ground?
10, my lord. C, then D and F, my lord. Safety and security, because many male teachers are also there, my lord, who are.
Stop. He submits that the case of the petitioner is squarely covered by ground number 10 bracket small c and C,
D and
bracket
F.
C, comma, bracket small d and bracket small f. That means CDF. Okay. Stop. He therefore submits that the respondent authorities may consider the case of the petitioner in terms of the said provision in view of the practical difficulty faced by the petitioner. Next para, having regard to the submissions made by the Learned Counsel for the petitioner, the materials available on record, and importantly, the pending representation before the respondent number 3 and 4, the writ petition is disposed of, and by directing the respondent number 3 to consider the case of the representation submitted by the petitioner in the light of the provisions of the Act of 2020. Beginning part, you write Act of 2020, and also in view of the fact that he is facing some difficulty in the home front. Of such consideration be done within a period of
Urgency is there, my lord, so
Within a period of,
10 days, my lord, they will.
Let it be 4 weeks, Lordship.
within a period of 1 month from the date of receipt of a certified copy. The petition is disposed.
By passing a speaking order. like
And by passing a reasoned and speaking order. A copy of the order to be furnished to the petitioner.
my lord. Obligation.
Much obliged.
Lordship, in this case, notice was issued around 26/11, Lordship. Service report is awaited. Let it be complete
Okay,
1 month.
list the matter again after the ensuing winter vacation on 28/1/2026 to await service report from the respondents. Respondent,
28, it is any date.
Before that.
Private. date.
okay, give it
Obliged.
21.
Your Lordship. There is no as such order for stoppage of provisional pension, your Lordship.
So Lordship, we.
And Rule 52(1) is the mandatory provision, your Lordship.
Just a minute, just a minute. Okay, in that case, yes,
Okay, we have not issued any order or direction for stopping of the provisional pension. That is my Lordship, instruction, Lordship. So Lordship, we have not issued anything, Lordship. Probably some other departments, Lordship, but
who is the department concerned?
Here is a treasury officer, he is not disbursing, your Lordship. He is on.
Lordship, why he, from where, Lordship will come to page 67, Lordship. Where the answer is in that page only.
Huh? 67,
Page 67, Lordship.
67.
67 of the writ petition.
Read petition.
Oh,
I don't know. more-
119.
ये था।
yes,
Lordship, here, Lordship will see the copy to point number 3. The principal, Lordship. Lordship can, Lordship has it. Lordship, it's written the principal, Guwahati College, Bamuni Maidan, so and so for information. He is requested to draw and disburse the amount to the pensioner. It is the principal, Lordship. I have sought instructions from the treasurer. He has not received any bills. The principal has to make the bills and send it to the treasury officer, which has not been done. That is the case, Lordship. It is not the treasury officer who has stopped it. So the principal has to just prepare the bills and he will receive his provision.
principal is a party.
Yes.
Yes, Lordship.
Notice has gone? No. Anyone appearing?
No.
It is
So
written in the
respondent number 4 may be directed, your Lordship.
Hmm?
To submit.
You were receiving at some point of time, isn't it? You were receiving earlier,
Yes, up to September
up to
2020.
September, then from October it stopped.
My learned friend has shown, as per that order, I have been receiving provisional pension. And it is a mandatory provision, Rule 22(1), till final judgment.
You serve a copy of the order to the principal.
Yes, and Lordship.
Yes, your Lordship may pass an order.
Please write. On 17/12/2025, court passed the following order. Please abstract the order. Today, Mr. D. Upamanya, learned standing counsel, higher education, submits that as per the instructions received by him, the Director of Higher Education has not issued any order for stoppage of the provisional pension of the writ petitioner. Stop. Mr. A. Chaliha, learned standing counsel, finance, is it?
Yes, Lordship.
Finance Department submits that it is not even the treasury officer who has stopped the provisional pension of the petitioner.
Yes, Lordship, the bills have not been prepared and that is why.
And it is solely on account of the respondent number 4, who apparently has not prepared the bills. and send the same to whom?
To the treasury officer, Lordship.
To the treasury officer for further necessary action as required of him in terms of the order dated 31/10/2022. Bracket annexure 8 of the writ petition, close bracket, issued by the Director of Higher Education.
Some.
Stop. Next para. Although respondent number 4 is a party respondent in the instant case, but no one has appeared on his behalf till date, isn't it? Under this circumstance, the petitioner shall serve a copy of this order to the respondent number 4, a certified copy of this order to respondent number 4. And the respondent number 4, upon receipt of the same, shall prepare the bills without delay and send the same to the treasury officer for further necessary action. List this matter. The IS stands
Dispose of.
IS stands disposed of.
And your lordship, main writ petition maybe after vacation.
Okay, when writ petition, you write, list this matter
Date may be fixed, your.
after the ensuing as vacation on so and so.
So.
9 on 9/1. As paid for.
Thank you.
None appears for the petitioner when the matter is called. Shall we dismiss it?
No.
This is the second time, that's why. Same was the case when the matter was listed on 22/10/2025. Stop for the ends of justice. Matter stands adjourned to be listed again after the ensuing vacation on 19/1/2026. It is observed that if no one appears for the petitioner by the next date, court may consider passing appropriate order.
Yes.
Yeah, please, your lordship. Lordship, I here challenge the clause 1.2 of the executive order dated 30 August 2025, my lord. Similarly, my lord, another writ petition was filed before this honorable court. In that writ petition, my lord, notice was issued, my lord.
No, what I will challenge?
Page 52, my lord.
What is that?
Clause 1.1 and Roman 2, my lord. Application cases pending before DLC, SLC, wherein OM number such and such, date and such has not been put to challenged before the Honorable High Court as on 3/4/2025.
Where is that? Page?
Page 52, my lord.
52, the second paragraph. Or where?
Clause 1.1 Roman 2, my lord.
1 Roman 2, what? Okay, this one. In the chart.
Yes, my lord. Only this clause I challenged, my lord. We challenged, my lord.
Notice?
Notice.
Heard, Mr.
H.A. Lashkar, my lord.
H.A. Lashkar, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that by filing this writ petition, the petitioner has challenged clause 1 bracket small Roman 2 of the executive order dated 30/8/2025, by which the claim of the petitioner has been ousted for seeking compassionate appointment. Issue notice, done by 4 weeks. Mr. G. Pegu, learned government advocate, accepts notice on behalf of
2, 3, and 4.
respondent numbers 2, 3, and
2, 3, and 5.
2, 3, and 5.
1 and 4, anything.
And Ms. S. Sutia, learned standing counsel, elementary education, accepts notice on behalf of respondent numbers 1 and 4. Notice is therefore complete. Petitioner to serve extra copies of the writ petition to the learned counsels within 2 working days. Again after 4 weeks.
But in this case, we have received our instruction, may allow some time to file our affidavit.
How much time?
After 2 weeks, January, last.
They want to file affidavit.
Sufficient time has already been given, your lordship. The matter is very urgent, your lordship.
He is receiving.
Suspension matter, your lordship.
As per my instruction, DP is going on and he is receiving 75% sufficient allowance.
No. Till
What,
that's not
what,
yet.
what are you challenging?
My lord,
Suspension order.
Suspension order, your lordship. Suspension is very illegal, your lordship, without serving any notice, your lordship. He is a gazetted officer, your lordship. Without serving any this, section 35 is not applied. He was suspended from service, your lordship.
No, on what ground are you challenging the suspension?
Suspend also one of the teachers, one of the headmistress, your lordship, of their to school. He is the block elementary education officer, your lordship. Without after that, with the one of the headmistress, your lordship, committed suicide. Thereafter, the husband of the headmistress, your lordship, Lozen Ijahari, your lordship. Ijahari, your lordship, will find page.
So there's, I think some affidavit is required.
Well,
You have received the instructions.
received.
When can you file?
Within 2 weeks,
Okay, Miss S. Sutia Lanet,
That may be fixed.
Standing Council,
Immediately after.
Elementary Education, submits that she has received the instructions and she plays for 2 weeks' time to file the counter affidavit. Considering the submission made after Bihu,
After view.
It will too late, your lordship. 1 week time may be given because the matter is very urgent. He was in suspension, your lordship.
no, there's break also, no, winter break, so this is
My
the
lord.
problem.
So 1 week time may be given. Already
He
they
is
have.
receiving 75% subsidy allowance, I have to retain instruction,
No,
But are you filing the affidavit?
We are going to
My-
file.
Please file it so that we can dispose it of on the next day. Okay,
My lord.
list again on 22/1.
Published.
Without fail, your lordship. Matter
On which
is-
date an attempt shall be made to dispose of the writ petition finally?
My lord.
On my request for response.
Okay, Mr. S.K. Mehdi, Learned Counsel, appears for respond number 7. Okay.
Item number 8, my lord, just my lord, on the request of my lord, counsel for the petitioner may be given, my lord. None appears his lordship recorded.
Item 8,
Yes.
none appeared, na? You call the file. Anyone for the other side? Mr. Chisti? This-
Notice may
this
be
case
issued, my lord.
we are about to dismiss, but he has come.
Oh,
down.
yes, this one. Yes.
Only my lord, notice may be issued, my lord.
What, no, but what is the case?
My lord, case my lord regarding compassionate department, my lord.
Whether it warrants issuance of notice or not, that we have to consider
Yes, my lord.
automatically how notice will go. Like a machine. Like ATM machine, na? You put like that, money will come. Not like that.
Any other date, my lord, may
You
come,
have
my lord.
to.
Any other date, my lord.
Lordship already passed the order, my lord.
Any other date, my lord.
You change the date, change the order as paid for by the Learned Counsel for the petition, list again on 19, na?
19, my lord. Diploma.
I know.
Our
So-
court is over. Happy vacation, my lord.
Today is the last day and we have
Yes.
somehow finished with God's grace. Hmm? And I'll wish every one of you a very happy new year. And Merry Christmas,
Merry Christmas.
season greeting, Happy Bihu, for that. Hope to see you all again in the coming new year.